show does judging a little different. They got this cool little side street over here, and all the cars come through, so you're not interfering with the rest of the show. You get to talk to the judges, tell them what you've done to the vehicle, tell them what you plan to do to the vehicle. They walk all the way around it so they can see every little detail. It's really a cool little setup. You can see the judges going over everything behind me, and we're gonna get back to the rest of the show. I just wanted to show you this because it was a little different. Sitting in a 2000 Ford Excursion. What's the name of your company?
That's Southern Thunder Car Audio. Yeah, this is a demo rig. It's a 6 XV315s wired at 0.7 on a 2.8:1 ratio 4th order enclosure.
And I've already seen it. It's going to be nasty. I'm gonna kind of point you guys back there. All right, so unfortunately it rained pretty much all last night. I mean, it really stormed last night and a little bit this morning, but the skies have cleared up. It's made for a really nice show. But if you look behind me, you got a little bit of remnants of the storm from yesterday. They did such a good job sealing this truck in that it's puddled. It's about 5 or 6 inches, and that's part of the show life. The Southern Tradition Show this year. I want to make sure I get some vendors, and I'm gonna tell you what, I had their lemonade last year. It was so good. I waited all year to get it. The best I've had. It's time to get some lemonade if you've made it to the Southern Tradition Show.